Morning all, welcome to my Dodge Ram engine repair series. It's got a certain ring to it. Okay, you've given me lots of advice, lots of comments on the direction I should go, and I've made a decision. I'm going to remove the heads. Yay, remove the heads. I'm listening to people for a change. There is one tool that I don't have that I need to go and get. I'm going to do that right now. Thankfully, this particular tool is not going to break the bank. All I need, as far as I can tell, to get the intake off and the heads off is actually a fuel pipe removal quick connect tool thing. That thing in there, it's a simple tool that just pushes in to release the clips that hold that fuel pipe on. I have looked about, and you know what, you could spend a day making your own tool, but it's only like $10. So let's take the Mini and have a mini adventure. Let's go the scenic route, get on sport mode, have a bit of fun. He's gone. Let's go. Right, let's get shopping. Hello Bugsy. Don't worry, we'll get back to you soon. Hopefully. So hopefully I've now got everything I need to get my heads off. That would have been a pain if I didn't get that. So I think I need like 8mm sockets, 10mm sockets, 14mm sockets, maybe a 16, because I need, for the exhaust, I need to take the exhaust off. I will be taking the heads off with the exhaust headers attached. I believe that's the easiest solution. So I'm going to spend the rest of the day digging out the tools, laying them out, making sure I've got everything in place. Still a bit cold to get stuck in today. It's like 3 degrees or something. It's pretty chilly. And tomorrow, well, you guys down south, I know what you're doing tomorrow. Let's not get into that. But tomorrow I'll be getting stuck into this. And hopefully by the end of tomorrow I will have actual evidence of, not evidence, I'll know what I'm doing by the end of tomorrow, trust me. Okay folks, again, just a quick update today. Anything you want to comment on before I get stuck in, let me know. But as someone said, it's just nuts and bolts and lots of water and oil and lying about in the cold. Don't worry, we'll get it done. Thanks guys, see you again.